Hi, I'm Nabil Murad. I'm here in Carpinteria, California, recording my first LinkedIn Learning course all about combining data in Excel. Whether you are pulling together data from multiple cells, merging lists across sheets, or appending entire files, this course shows you exactly how to do it cleanly, efficiently, and accurately. No more copy-pasting across sheets or losing track of your sources. Combining data doesn't have to be frustrating. It can be your secret superpower in Excel. If you work with data and want to save time while getting more out of your spreadsheets, keep an eye out for my course when it launches on LinkedIn Learning.